The Sonicore Court Vibe Pickleball Paddle set comes packaged like a really nice gift set. In the box you get the paddle, a protective paddle sleeve cover, 2 wristbands, and an extra grip tape, which is a great value and makes it feel like a complete kit right from the start. I've been playing pickleball for a few months now, and this paddle has been a fantastic upgrade for me. This T700 carbon fiber combined with fiberglass gives it a really durable, high-end feel. And the 16mm honeycomb core creates a larger sweet spot, which has definitely helped improve my consistency on the court. I also love how balanced and lightweight it feels. It's easy to maneuver during quick volleys, but still has enough power for deeper shots. The textured surface also helps add spin, which is great as I continue improving my skills. The grip is very comfortable for longer games. And I have the pink handle, which I think looks really stylish. It also comes in different color options, so you can choose the one you like best. The protective sleeve is also a nice addition for keeping the paddle safe, and the wristbands and grip tape make this set feel even more thoughtful and complete. Overall, this is a well-made, comfortable, and stylish paddle that's perfect for beginners and intermediate players looking to improve their game. Thank you to Sonicore for gifting me this Court Vibe paddle. I'm really enjoying it on the court.